Get into gear for the winter season with John Deere's Select Series lawn tractor and 44-inch snowblower attachment. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install your 44-inch snowblower on your X300 or X500 Select Series lawn tractor. Remember, before installing any attachments, be sure to recognize safety info, understand safety signals, and be familiar with your installation instructions. Park the tractor safely on flat ground, engine off, parking brake set, mower deck removed, and key removed. Rear ballast and tire chains are recommended when using a snowblower. X300 tractors should have 2 suitcase weights, and X500 tractors should have 4 suitcase weights. A weight bracket is required for 4-wheel steer models. Now you'll install the rear lift bracket. Line up the bracket with the holes in the lift arm. Insert pins into lift arms and lift bracket and secure with cotter pins. Repeat for the opposite side. Now we will install the rear lift links to the front hitch bracket. Put the flat end of one lift link on the inside of the front hitch. With the lift link installed onto the front hitch, install the cotter pin into the hole of the welded stud. Repeat on the opposite side. Align hole and hitch with the hole in the front draft assembly and install like this. Secure with spring pin. Now we can install the lift links to the rear lift bracket. Pivot the front hitch until the swivel bushing lines up with the hole in the lift bracket. Insert the swivel bushing and secure with a spring pin. Repeat on the opposite side. Now we can attach the snowblower to the hitch. Check your snowblower belt to make sure that it is not worn and make sure it is routed as shown here. Place the snowblower head on the hitch so that the support pins are in the cradles. Raise the lift system to engage the pins into the snowblower housing. Pull out the L pins on each side and then lower the snowblower. You may have to lift the snowblower slightly to lock the pins. Now we'll install the snowblower belt to the tractor drive sheave. Raise the snowblower and use blocks to support the unit. Minimize the belt tension by pushing or pulling the tensioning arm, whichever works best. Once there's enough slack on the belt, route it around the tractor's drive sheave like this. With unit fully raised, measure height of scraper blade to the ground and adjust lift links accordingly to ensure scraper blade is roughly 5 inches off the ground. Adjust skid shoes to ensure they are slightly lower than the scraper blade if necessary. Now we'll install the discharge chute bracket. Align the hole in the bottom of the chute bracket with the screw on the outside of the rotation handle. Insert the carriage bolt through the square hole from the inside of the rotation handle and through the hole on the chute bracket. Secure with a washer, lock washer, and knob. Raise blower and remove dollies. Remove blocks and lower snowblower to the ground. All that's left to do is take out your Select Series lawn tractor and tackle the snow. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer or visit jdparts.deere.com. Thank you for choosing John Deere.